Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier source for elevating outdoor spaces. Today, let's explore how to transform your garden into a tranquil oasis with stunning water feature designs and learn about benefits and decoration ideas for your outdoor space. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Are you looking to transform your outdoor space into a serene and captivating retreat? Look no further than incorporating a water feature into your garden design. The presence of water can introduce a dynamic element, a soothing ambiance, and a touch of natural elegance to any landscape. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the meaning, benefits, decoration ideas, and the best design concepts for integrating water features seamlessly into your garden. To begin our exploration, let us first understand the fundamental concept of garden design with a water feature. At its core, this involves the intentional and artistic integration of a water element, be it a pond, fountain, waterfall, stream, or even a simple bird bath, into the overall layout and aesthetic of a garden. This is not merely about adding water, it is about thoughtfully considering how the water feature interacts with the surrounding plants, hardscaping, and the natural contours of the land to create a harmonious and visually appealing environment. A well-designed water feature acts as a focal point, drawing the eye and adding a layer of sensory experience through sight and sound. It contributes to the garden's character, reflecting the owner's style and enhancing the connection with nature. Now, let us explore the compelling advantages of incorporating a water feature into your garden design. Choosing to include water in your garden extends beyond mere aesthetics, offering a multitude of benefits that enhance both the environment and your personal well-being. Firstly, water features introduce a soothing ambiance. The gentle sounds of flowing or trickling water can mask unwanted noise pollution from traffic or neighbors, creating a tranquil and relaxing atmosphere perfect for unwinding. This auditory experience has been shown to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Secondly, water features significantly enhance the visual appeal of your garden. They create dynamic focal points, adding movement, reflection, and a sense of depth to the landscape. Whether it's the shimmering surface of a pond or the cascading flow of a waterfall, water elements introduce an ever-changing visual interest. Furthermore, water features play a crucial role in attracting wildlife. Birds are drawn to water for drinking and bathing, while ponds can become habitats for frogs, dragonflies, and other beneficial insects, contributing to a balanced and thriving ecosystem in your garden. This increased biodiversity adds life and vibrancy to your outdoor space. Beyond the sensory and ecological benefits, water features can also contribute to improved air quality. The evaporation process releases moisture into the air, which can help to cool the surrounding environment, especially during hot weather. Additionally, the movement of water can help to trap dust and pollutants, leading to fresher air. Finally, a well-designed and maintained water feature can even increase the property value of your home. It is often seen as a desirable luxury that adds both aesthetic and functional value, making your property more attractive to potential buyers. How to decorate your garden design with a water feature to look beautiful. Having understood the benefits, let us now consider how to enhance the beauty of your garden design with a water feature through thoughtful decoration. The key to creating a stunning water feature lies in seamlessly integrating it with the surrounding landscape and adding elements that complement its natural beauty. Firstly, consider the placement of your water feature. Position it in a location where it can be easily viewed and appreciated, perhaps near a seating area or a pathway. Consider the natural light and how it will reflect off the water at different times of the day. Next, surround your water feature with appropriate plants. Choose moisture-loving plants for the edges of ponds or streams, such as irises, ferns, and hostas. For fountains or container water features, consider aquatic plants like water lilies or floating hyacinths. The greenery will soften the edges, of the water feature and create a natural transition into the rest of the garden. Incorporate natural materials like rocks, pebbles, and driftwood around your water feature. These elements can enhance a rustic or naturalistic design, providing perches for wildlife and adding visual texture. For a more formal look, consider using stone edging or decorative tiles. Add lighting to your water feature to extend its beauty into the evening. Underwater lights can highlight the movement of water and create a magical ambiance. Solar-powered lights are an energy-efficient option for illuminating pathways and surrounding plants. Consider adding decorative elements such as statues, sculptures, or stepping stones, depending on the style of your garden and the type of water feature. These additions can add personality and visual interest. Finally, maintain the cleanliness of your water feature. Regularly remove debris, control algae growth, and ensure the water is clear. A well-maintained water feature will always look its best and contribute significantly to the overall beauty of your garden. What are the best ideas for garden design with water features? Now, let's explore some of the best ideas for incorporating water features into your garden design, catering to various styles and spaces. The ideal water feature will depend on the size of your garden, your personal preferences, and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. Here are 10 inspiring ideas. One, serene koi pond. A tranquil pond stocked with colorful koi fish can become a captivating focal point. Incorporate aquatic plants like water lilies and marginal plants around the edges to create a balanced ecosystem. Add flat stones around the perimeter for seating and enjoying the view. 2, cascading waterfall into a natural pool. If your garden has a slope, utilize it to create a natural-looking waterfall that flows into a small pool. Use natural rocks and boulders to construct the waterfall and plant moisture-loving vegetation around the pool's edge. 3, elegant tiered fountain. A classic tiered fountain adds a touch of sophistication to any garden. Choose a design that complements your garden's style, whether it's a traditional stone fountain for a formal garden or a modern metal one for a contemporary space. 4, minimalist water wall. A sleek water wall can be a stunning addition to a modern garden. Water gently flows down a vertical surface, creating a calming sound and a visually striking feature. It can be incorporated into a patio wall or as a standalone structure. 5, rustic barrel pond. For a cottage style or informal garden, repurpose a wooden barrel or a large ceramic container into a small pond. Add aquatic plants and perhaps a small pump to create a gentle bubbling effect. 6, Japanese-inspired bamboo fountain. Embrace tranquility with a bamboo fountain, where water trickles gracefully through bamboo stalks into a stone basin. Surround it with moss, ferns, and smooth stones to enhance the zen-like atmosphere. 7, bubbling rock feature. Perfect for smaller spaces, a bubbling rock involves water gently flowing over a natural stone. It's low maintenance and adds a subtle sound and visual interest. 8, reflecting pool. A still, shallow pool designed to reflect the surrounding landscape and sky can create a sense of spaciousness and serenity. Often geometric in shape, reflecting pools are ideal for formal gardens. 9, meandering garden stream. If you have a larger garden, consider creating a small stream that meanders through your landscape, perhaps connecting to a pond or a waterfall. Plant riparian vegetation along its banks to create a natural habitat. 10, solar-powered bird bath fountain. A practical and eco-friendly option. A solar-powered bird bath fountain provides a water source for birds while adding a gentle trickle of water. These come in various designs and are easy to install and maintain. Incorporating a water feature into your garden design can profoundly transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and tranquil sanctuary. By understanding its meaning, appreciating its benefits, decorating thoughtfully, and choosing a design that resonates with your style and space, you can create your very own aquatic paradise. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the wonderful world of garden design with water features. Consider adding one to your garden and experience the serenity and beauty it brings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas on enhancing your outdoor spaces. Leave a comment below and let us know which water feature idea is your favorite.